So today is April 16th, 2013. It's 7:52 p.m. and where did you get that? And Ratchet is here. If I look at my thumbs a lot, it's because I don't want to look at the screen, but Ratchet is here for the last time in New York City. And I'm trying not to cry and be a little bitch about it, but I can't help but cry and be a little bitch about it because I'm gonna miss this person. It's a sad video. It is a sad video. Why? Why? I just said why. You know what? Because since Ratchet's here and we never got to show you or sing to you the songs that we were gonna sing to you, I'm gonna read out all the songs that we didn't sing. Oh, you do? Yeah. Oh, wait, the chair. Where? It's broken. Wait, it's over there in the our little. You kept them in the box. Yeah, I kept them in the box. Do you want to see? You guys are gonna see our little box that we put them in. These were our little box. Yep. So you pick one and I'll pick one. Oh no, I can't. Oh, the love song, L-O-V-E. Rihanna. Oh wait, Strange choice. Oh. Locked out of heaven. Yeah. Valerie. I feel like we're reading out awards. I know, right? And the nominees are. So this is Goodbye. That's yours. I don't remember who wrote the song though. Beautiful Goodbye, my oh, stupid hoe. Not a sad song. It's Thinking About You, Frank Ocean. Mr. Brightside, the killer. Let the drummer kick. Citizens Cope. Mumford and Sons, Little Lion Man. I really feel like waiting. Somebody that I used to know. It's the remix to Ignition. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. We're 9. We're 5. This is our last night. It's again. Yeah, but they made Lost in Paradise. You the one. You the one. Oh, no love allowed. Oh, these are sad. These are all real. I'm like a lawyer. Oh, I'm like a lawyer. How I'm always trying to get your clothes off, Fall Out Boy. You make my dreams come true. Your face, like I don't know who that is. Right. Can't take my eyes off of Lauren Hill. And the last one, funny enough, is just Taylor Swift because we didn't know which song we were gonna sing. And songs that we were supposed to sing to you guys. I'm in my box. I know you are in your box. It's so weird. So I do don't cross that! No, I'm not gonna say my goodbyes on camera. You know what I am gonna do? Now it's like magic, but it's not really like magic. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna sing one song, just a tidbit, please. What song? I don't know. Do you know how like somber I am right now? How about what now? No, not what now. That's weird. Yeah, you're like just gonna send me off the edge. I just can't figure it out. I'm gonna miss you. Like, I'm really gonna miss you. Don't look at me like that. I just don't want you to go, you know? Like, I really don't want you to leave. Like, I've known you forever. I know this is like a video just full of ramblings and dumb crap, but it's because I'm trying to stall so she can stay for a little bit longer and it can last and not feel like it's not happening at all, because I don't want it to happen, and I feel that the minute she leaves the premises, the vicinity of my room, and out into the hallway, and then out the door, and then down the block, and then up the street, and then all the way up the hill till you get to Broadway, and then you got the 1 train, and then she's all the way down and freaking, you know, the Bronx, and then I'll know it's gone. She's gone forever.
It's really sad.
It's really sad. Friendships are hard. Ew. Especially when they're, you know, ones that you don't think were gonna last that long. I hated her. And now I'm crying over her. This is some sad shit. It really sucks. You know, over 12 years of your life, of my life. This life. That's me.
Harmony.
Oh God.
No, this is terrible. So you ready to wrap it up?
Not really. I'm Street, this is Ratchet.
Oh, you make it seem like seasons of a show. We've been on for 10 seasons.
I'm done. I'm sad.
I hate this part right here. I hate this part right here. I just can't take your tears. I hate this